Hi guys, my name is Jade. Welcome to my channel if you are new, or if you're returning then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be testing out some products. So I have been kindly sent a parcel from Project Lip. Now you probably would have heard of Project Lip because they're quite big over on Instagram, and Demi, is it Demi Jones I think her name is, from Love Island, she came up with her own, I think, like range of this, like collection from Project Lip. So I have been given a few things to try and I'm excited. So let's open up the package and see what we've got. So in the bag I got a little plumping kit, obviously got the instructions, it tells you how to use it, and then I also have what's these? I've got a plump and gloss, so I think I've got 2 plump and gloss and 1 plump and colour, I believe. So obviously the idea of this is a plumping kit, unique plumping and collagen boosting formula that is scientifically proven to increase the collagen and lip shape if used every day for 28 days. I don't hate my lips, but I've always contemplated having lip fillers, and I've just always, obviously I've never gone to have it done just because you hear so many stories about botched lips, and I don't want to look ridiculous or anything. Like I say, I don't feel like I have bad lips, but I was really intrigued and really interested to try this out. So I was like, yeah, let's test this out and see if it plumps my lips up, because looking at the before and afters, it looks like it does a pretty good job. So I'm so excited to use this and have a little go. So all Project Lip products are vegan and cruelty free. So the purpose of the product is to naturally enhance your lip size, and all the plumping products last for about 6 hours, up to 6 hours. So you can buy Project Lip products at PLT, Beauty Bay, Look Fantastic and Urban Outfitters. So the instruction, it says here, you scrub your pout, which is what they recommend, then you prep the pout, and obviously then you plump and pout. So we're going to exfoliate first because that's what it recommends, and then put a lip mask on. So I'm going to open this up and have a little look inside. So we get the Project Lip, which is the matte plumping primer. So we've got a plumping primer, and we have the lip scrub, and then this is, try and get it out, the lip mask. So that's to prep the skin. So I'm going to scrub my lips with this, and then I'm going to put on the little mask, and then we're going to put on the primer and then choose our lip colour. So I have the options of a matte colour and 2 glosses. So I'm going to get those out and show you in a second. But let's go ahead and scrub my lips first. First off, I think the packaging is really cute. It's really basic, you know, it's just white and orange packaging, but I think it's simple, and it's maybe really cost effective. So this just says a delicious natural fruity lip scrub enriched with sweet orange oil and extract to exfoliate and invigorate your lips. And then, so you're just going to scrub it all over, and then obviously rinse it off with warm water. So I'm going to quickly just do this. So of course the scrub is orange. Let's just put this on my lips, and do you know something? I don't scrub my lips enough. I don't exfoliate my lips often enough, and you should do, because they get really dry. It smells really nice. It says you can lick it and you can eat it, but I don't really want to do that. I didn't really put much makeup on because I didn't see the point in putting loads on if I'm going to be okay. So I think that's pretty scrubbed on. I'm going to go and quickly wash this off, and then we'll put on the lip mask. So I've rubbed that off with lukewarm water because that's what it says to do. My lips are feeling really soft. So now I'm going to put on the lip mask. I have already opened it. because I went to put it on and realised I wasn't recording. It just says, gently remove film from both sides of the gel mask, apply to your dry and chapped lips. Then you're going to leave it on 15 for 20 minutes and then remove it and pat your lips. So it just looks like this in the little, let's see. Oh, it feels weird. So we're going to put this on. Ooh. Ooh. It's lovely. My lips feel so soft, and I suffer so much with dryness. Like, they're fantastic. I wonder if you can just buy like lip masks, like the lip masks on their own. My lips are looking really just nourished and they're not dry, and they were so crispy. I don't know if you see, but they were so crispy. I suffer so bad with really dry crusty lips, so yes. So the next step is plump and pout. So prime, plump and hydrate all in one, working with the lips on collagen to enhance and give a plumper, more defined look. Where is my... So now we're going to apply our matte plumping primer, if that'll focus, but that's what the packaging looks like. So matte plumping primer, and it just says warning, this product may tingle. So let's get it out the box. So it just looks like this. So pretty simple, again, basic packaging. I love the white and orange packaging. I just think it's nice, just a bit basic and, you know, a bit plain, but it's nice. Nothing wrong with that. So it does come with some instructions, and obviously it tells you what the ingredients has in this. So if you're obviously allergic to anything, it just says if it if there's any irritation, obviously discontinue. Product must not come in contact with the eye area, and don't use if you have sensitive skin. It's made in the UK, it's cruelty free and vegan, and it just says apply it generously on the lip and over the lip line. Press your lips together, which will activate, and then reapply to maximize the plump. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this now. I'm not nervous, but I don't know, like I guess I'm just like apprehensive, is that the right word? Because I don't know what it's gonna be like. Is it gonna be really intense? Is it gonna hurt? I don't know. So let's put this on and let's try this. Okay, so it says to, which will activate the, I can't really feel any tingling at the moment. Okay, yes I can actually. I can feel a bit of a tingle, but it's not so bad. Doesn't feel like unbearable, overpowering or anything like that. It just feels a little bit tingly. So yeah, feels okay. So the next thing that we're going to apply is the Plump and Colour. So we're going to put this on, and then I'm guessing we put a gloss on as well. So we do have two shades of the gloss to choose from. We have Tingle and Addicted, and this is the shade Bare, this lip. So this is the matte lip. So again, same concept. Swipe the colour over your lips, and then obviously press together, and bam's your uncle. So this is the shade. This is what this colour looks like. It's a really nice, gorgeous nude shade. So that looks really, really nice. So I'm going to put this one on over the top. Let's give this a whirl. Okay. I can definitely feel the tingle now. It's definitely working. It's definitely doing something to my lips. It feels good so far. Like I don't feel like I'm having a reaction or anything like that. So obviously if you guys, anyone who used this and you do feel like it's really overpowering and so I guess maybe that's a sign that you're reacting to it and you should probably take it off. But yeah, so far my lips feel okay. Like, yeah, they're tingling, but it's not something that is really irritating, like, if you know what I mean. It's just a little tingle, but I definitely feel like this is more tingly than any other like lip plumping products I've ever used before, but not in a bad way. So I really like that colour. That is actually really, really pretty. Do I feel like my lips are a bit bigger? What do you guys think? I feel like they've plumped up a little bit. Like, I don't feel like it's not done anything at all, but... And then I'm going to put some gloss on over the top. Let's put a bit of gloss on. Okay. So we have 2 shades to choose from. So I'm just going to get these out and we'll have a little look at the shades. So this is the shade Addicted, which is gorgeous. Looks really nice, like a brown, deep brown colour with a bit of sparkle in there. And then we've got the shade Tingle, which is just a clear gloss. So I guess it doesn't really matter. I think I'm going to go for this one. Let's just give it a little pump. Mix it all around in the tube. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells like coconut. So obviously it just says the same on the packaging and the lip gloss. Glide the gloss onto your lips, press your lips together to activate the plump, and then reapply to maximise the gloss and plump for a high shine kissable pout. Wear alone, or yeah, also layer all over your favourite plump and colour. So yeah, perfect. I'm going to put this on. And so yeah, I'm guessing by the sound of that you can apply as much as you want, and yeah, so let's see what this looks like. Ooh. That's a nice colour actually. So much product on my lips, so much plump on my lips. Oh, I've got really itchy here. So I can definitely feel the plumping now. I can definitely feel the tingle. It feels so tingly. And I'm just trying to decide if... I definitely feel like they do look different. I'm obviously going to get the little before clip. I'll put the before clip here of my lips so you can see what they look like before. So this is like after before. And yeah, I definitely think they have plumped up a little bit. So yeah, I like that. I'm actually really impressed. So yeah, if you are after some of these products, Project Lip, I will leave all the links in the description box down below, because they are available at a few retailers. So you can buy them on PLT, Beauty Bay, Look Fantastic, and in Urban Outfitters. So yeah, the plumping products last up to 6 hours. So does that mean it's going to tingle for 6 hours, or just like the effect of 6 hours? I'm guessing just like the effect of like the afterwards after using them for 6 hours. Use the plumping product for 28 days. It will improve the natural collagen in your lips. So yeah, honest review. So my full review on this is I definitely think packaging is really, really nice, and you can definitely feel the tingle. So I definitely feel like it's doing something. I don't know if you can see there. I don't think I'm having a reaction. It's not sore, but it's more like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a bit red here. Like, just on the line. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it just looks a little bit like, I don't know, just looks a bit like red. It's not like sore or anything. It's not irritating, it's not burning, not stinging, anything like that, but it just looks a bit, it looks a bit red. But yeah, I am impressed with the overall outcome. I'm not gonna lie, I genuinely thought that it wasn't gonna really work. I just thought like it was just going to tingle like any plumping products that I've used before where they just a little tingle, but I definitely feel like my lips look a little bit bigger. Maybe not massively a difference, but I guess if you keep using it over time, there'll be a massive difference, because like it says, if you use it for 28 days, it'll naturally enhance the collagen in your lips. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you are interested in picking yourself up some of the Project Lip goodies, as ever, I will always leave them in the description box down below. So if you did enjoy the video, guys, make sure that you do give it a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.